Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Mailchimp. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on start a free trial. After clicking on that, you'll be redirected to this plan. So here, now we can select the plan. We can, if we're not sure what we want to choose, we just can click on final plan, answer some questions, and the right plan will be given to you. But we'll just click on free plan for the sake of this video, and now we'll enter our information. So here I entered my email. Let's enter our username. It will be Nedtechie, and our password will be this one. It's quite powerful passwords. And here I don't want to receive emails about Mailchimp. Here click on continue and just wait a few seconds. Now we're going to open our Gmail to receive the confirmation letter, to enter the website, and just wait a few seconds till it loads up. I'm sorry, my internet is not really strong, but we'll have to bear with it. It won't be that long, just for a brief second. It almost loaded. But you also can register with you can open your Outlook. You can also, if you haven't received the email, you can enter. You can resend an email, but we have received our email, so we're just gonna click on that, activate account, and here we'll be redirected to the main site. So here you have to tell them about ourselves. First name Net, last name Tech, business name NetTech, and a phone number. You can give a phone number, but it's just recommended I won't enter a phone number right here. So we also have to enter our business address, like 18th Liberty, or just say this. What's your top goal with Mailchimp? Let's say that we wanna grow my list of email subscribers. And what are the most important features for your business? Let's say email templates, automations, and advanced reporting. Now we can select our contact range. After that, just how do you sell to your customers? Let's say that we have our own website. Just click again on next, and we can import our website, www.nettech123.com. And now again we can choose our plan. Let's just continue with our free plan. And now we're in, and we have to wait for a few seconds till all these things load up. And here guys, we're in home. This is I guess a new feature to the site. So here we have to do 3 things to finish up our profile, which are capture new leads, and with sign up forms, set up automation, and create your first email. Okay, right now let's create a email. Now we can create a regular email or an automation email or a landing page. Let's create an automation. So we can choose to build a automation email from scratch or a pre-built journey. Let's use a pre-built journey. And Now we wait for a second, and we can choose from all these kinds of things, like this, which is really popular, these things. Okay, let's just do this, choose this one because it said that it was popular. So welcome to new contacts. This journey will send an introductory welcome video, email welcoming the user, contact signs up to an audience, and send email welcome email. So let's use this journey, and after that click on continue, hang tight, and now contact signs with NetTech, include improved contacts. Okay. Oops, what did I do? So here is it. Again, we have to upgrade to activate an active customer journey. Okay. So here we can add a journey point, like if else, percentage split, wait for trigger, time delay, and send emails and SMS, webhook, send survey email, group on group, tag and tag, update contact, and all these things. Like if we want to, we can add an if else thing. So let's add a birthday month is, or address, and use this. Enter a merge shoot value. I guess this. Yeah. So if contact meets these conditions, so contact has an if or else conditions. If yes, then create an email and after that exit. If no, else. If no, just contact exit. And that's really easy. And let me right now show you the plans. So there are 3 plans right now: the premium, the standard, and the essentials, which the standard and the essentials plans are free for 1 month, and then you have to pay, and they give you all these kinds of perks that will help you throughout your email automation journey. So you can select the amount of people you can have in your email signed up, and the premium price just goes over after 5,000 people, and at 10,000 people it will get more expensive. But with the other plans, and with every amount being bigger than the other, it just gets more expensive. And after 200,000 plus signed up users, you have to contact the sales just for the premium plan. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope that I've helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.